Welcome back, trappers. Back there we got the Blazer and the Jaguar. We got it up on the jack and we're working on the brakes. Thunder's rolling. We've had some rain. Probably gonna get some more rain. We're gonna get this done and get it off the jacks and get this squared away for the evening. So let's check it out. You see I got my mess out here. I've been working. We have the rotor back from O'Reilly's. They turned it a little bit. We got some brushes, the sockets in the toolbox are out here. Paint, brake cleaner, PB blaster, that sort, some hammers. Jack is up. But this is what we're doing, guys. There's my caliper hanging. We're gonna paint this black, just clean it up. This is gonna get primered black, and then we're gonna use brake caliper, duplicolor red on it, red on the calipers, and we're gonna get everything cleaned up and primed. Pretty much all I'm gonna do is hit this with brake cleaner and wire brush, and the same with this piece and the piece that goes in here that holds it. We're gonna go over this with the black primer. That'll be primered in red. This will get primered, cleaned up red. We're gonna put new brake pads on it, put the rotor back on, and that's what we're doing here with the Jag. Over here on this side, you can already see a little bit of what I did yesterday. We got the rotor turned, calipers red, the dust collector back there is all red, all underneath. So that's what we did. We're gonna do that all the way around, guys, and that's what we're doing on the Jag today. But without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and get all this cleaned up, get the new brake pads on, get the caliper back on, get it all put back together. Alright, trappers, we are in the trap shack, as you can tell. I don't know if you can see out here, but it is raining. Jag sitting there on the jack, trap Blazer still got the underglow on, and it is raining. Rained out. I put a trash bag over the hub and zip tied it so that way it protects it from the elements a little bit, and we have to leave it like that for now, guys. I can't get in there to paint the rest of that caliper right now, especially with the rain and the humidity. That's not going to work for me. I do have the caliper bracket here in the shack and we're painting it, so that's what we're going to check out right now while we're rained out. I have my trash bag laid out. We went over the caliper with these wire brushes, cleaned it up real good, and we used O'Reilly's brake parts cleaner and cleaned it up with that and the brushes. We went ahead and hit it with the Krylon paint and primer. This is the color Max Satin Black. Satin black, flat black, whatever. I guess flat black probably would have been better. I didn't really see it on the shelf, but that might be better. But anyway, this is just paint and primer. Real simple. We went black with that, and after this sets and dries in a few minutes, we're going to go ahead and hit it with a red caliper paint. So when this is done, we'll get back. Alright, guys, we are back. As you can tell, there's no rain. The storms have passed. There you go. The Jag is up on the lift, and we are back at it. We're getting some things reassembled, and yeah, you can see my black hands. So let's check this out. We're reassembled here. You can see that I've got everything back together. This piece is red. This piece I didn't paint yet, and this is the primer. I guess you don't really have to paint this when it's off. I did just to save time, so when I go back to do this, I just have to hit this red and let that dry, and I don't have to mess with this other stuff so much. And it's not really that complicated, guys. See, I just threw up some rags where I don't want to get the red paint. The black I don't mind so much. Everything underneath here is black, and if it's not, you know, it's just silver, and if it gets black on it, I mean, it's not that big of a deal. You're never going to notice it. But we got the red already on the dust protector back there. This is curing up and drying a little bit, and then we're gonna hit this with the red. So we'll be back, guys, shortly. You can see it's dark. I got the lights back here, but we are done. All the brakes all the way around, complete. Went out for a test drive just a little bit ago. Brakes stopped great. This car is running top notch right now, and I'm enjoying it. So without further ado, let's check it out. Sorry it's so dark. I tried to get enough light out here. But we should still be able to see pretty good. You can see the dust collector already red back here. I showed this side the other day. All done up. Looking good. The back ones, same way. Red dust cover, red calipers on the 19-inch BBS wheels. Turned out real nice, real good. It's a good addition to this car. Alright guys, that was a nice little project. That was a good addition to the Jaguar. We got some more projects coming and install a few other things, some speakers, electronics, things like that. So we're going to get that done. That's a project that will be coming up soon. So make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and keep on trapping.
We stand out like bird shit on a black shoe.